starting off with 1 bag of jumbo marshmallows. I have here a 1/3 cup of butter. They're right in there. Now we are gonna mix these up until everything is nice and melted. Okay, this is about ready. Leave that in there. Now I'm coming in with a box of Jello pistachio pudding, instant pudding, right in there. 1 box, 2 boxes of this pudding mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that into our marshmallow butter melted mixture. Oh my goodness. Now you can use whatever flavor pudding you like. I just wanted the pistachio because I wanted a nice green color for this treat, which is exactly what it's gonna give us. And in order for it to be kind of a more vibrant green, I think I am going to go ahead and get my green food coloring. This is totally optional. It will still be a beautiful light green without it, but I want kind of a Easter green. Okay, let's go ahead and get this a good mix until it is fully incorporated. Okay, you guys, last step is adding our Rice Krispie treats. And we're gonna go ahead and add a few cups of those right in there. And we are gonna mix those right into our pistachio marshmallow mixture. All right, you guys, this is ready to be transferred into our greased 13 by 9. And we're putting all of this right in there. Oh my goodness, it smells like pistachios and marshmallows and everything good in the world. All right, now I'm gonna grab that butter wrapper and I'm gonna use it to flatten our Rice Krispies right into the pan because we want a flat and even surface. This is a trick my mom taught me, is using that butter because it doesn't stick as much to this wrapper than it does to a spatula. You could also just pan a spatula if that's more convenient for you. Now I want these to be kind of Easter themed, so I have my mini Cadbury eggs and I'm just gonna sprinkle these here and there. It doesn't need to be in any kind of order. Where are those yellow ones? I'm gonna add a few yellow. Get that bright, vibrant color in there. And just kind of push them in so that they are stuck to our Krispies. But you know what would make it even more fun? Some peeps. You guys know, if it's Easter, it's gonna have peeps on it because I love peeps. And we're just gonna place these just right on top of our Rice Krispies, just like so. Look how vibrant and fun these are. You could do the chicks, you could do whatever color you like. I just think these are so adorable. Okay, that is it. We're gonna pop these in the fridge for about 1 hour. Okay, you guys, it is time to give these a taste test. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna grab over here. Ooh, super easy to cut into. Look how ooey and gooey and delicious this is. Oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, let's give it a try.
The crunch. Is it good? Can I have it? Can I have that one?